This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Terry Osborne. Welcome to Timber Pines, an exclusive 55-plus gated community nestled in Spring Hill's heart. Excitingly, the seller is installing a brand new roof at closing. This meticulously maintained home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths, along with a family room graced by a cozy wood-burning fireplace and a separate living room, offering ample space for relaxation and entertaining. The chef's kitchen is a highlight, boasting real wood soft close cabinets, granite countertops, and new fixtures, accompanied by a luxurious array of skylights illuminating the space. New luxury vinyl plank flooring adorns the interior, complementing the remodeled bathrooms, while the inside laundry area with a sink and cabinets adds practicality. Step outside to discover your own private oasis, a sparkling in-ground pool and spa, complete with a newer pool heater and a privacy screen, ensuring uninterrupted relaxation. The lanai offers both open and covered areas, equipped with cabinets and a sink, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Additional features include a well for sprinklers, a water softener, and access to Timber Pines' renowned golfing amenities, including 4 pristine golf courses. Residents also enjoy an activity center, pickleball courts, a dog park, and more, promising an enriching lifestyle. This home encapsulates comfort,